Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. In today's class, we'll discuss about PGP, Pretty Good Service, in the subject of Cryptography Network Security. What is PGP? PGP it will provide email security. Okay, PGP provide email security. Okay, and PGP is a high security cryptography application. It is high level security software application. Okay, here PGP allows the people exchange the messages or file with privacy or confidentiality. It allows to exchange messages or files with privacy, okay, or privacy or authentication and integrity. Okay, here this is the PGP, and the PGP can also used for encrypt and apply digital signatures for the emails. Okay, it is also used for PGP, also used for encrypt and apply digital signatures for emails. Okay, it is provide the security for emails in several ways. Okay, PGP was developed Zimmerman in 1971. Okay, here PGP was developed by Zimmerman in 1971. Okay, here Zimmerman developed the following. Zimmerman developed several things. The best available cryptography algorithms used building block integrated. These are the there are several things are developed by Zimmerman. Okay, what are the techniques are involved in PGP? Okay, here we will see the techniques. Okay, what are the techniques are involved in PGP? Techniques in PGP. Here the techniques are there are the first technique is hashing technique. In hashing they will use MD5 message digest 5 and SHA algorithm, and the second one is data compression. Okay, this is another technique for data compression. The third technique is symmetric key cryptography. What is the meaning of symmetric key cryptography? A single key used for encryption and decryption. That is the third technique. And the fourth technique is asymmetric key cryptography. Okay, these are the four techniques. And what are the services of PGP? The PGP services are, okay, we will see services provided by the PGP. Okay, what are the services it is providing? It is providing the services are authentication and confidentiality. Okay, it will provide the two services. The first one is authentication. What is the meaning of authentication? Authentication is nothing but verifying identity. Okay, that is called authentication. Second one is confidentiality. What is the meaning of confidentiality? Confidential is nothing but maintaining secret. Okay, the data will be maintained as a secret. Okay, here for confidential, how it will be provided the confidentiality means we will see a block diagram. It is the email which will apply to hash code which is using hash algorithm. Okay, here we are using the hash algorithm. Hash code is generated that will go for digital signatures. Again it will go for the compressed with compressor. The output will go for this compressor output will go for encryption. Okay, and this encryption, after encryption the plain text will be converted as ciphertext. So the ciphertext again went for receiver, again went to the receiver. Here the receiver will be applied for the decryption algorithm for understanding. Okay, here again there is a secret key. With the help of the secret key, there is one more encryption. It will also went to the receiver. Here you will check the both. If the both are same, then it is working securely. If the data is the encrypted data is manipulated, then it is not correct. Okay, this is the mechanism of the PGP. Okay, how it is provided means email with the help of the hash algorithm will convert the hash code. This is the hash code. This is the code, hash code H. Then that goes to the digital signatures, and the digital signature will apply to compressor, and compressor will get the encryption. Again with here we are applying zip function. We are adding these two, digital signatures and compressor. Okay, next here in PGP we have three cases. In PGP have three cases. First one is authentication case only. What is the meaning of authentication case? We will see. In authentication case, the digital signatures involved provision, authentication provision by using digital signatures only. Okay, here authentication provision by using digital signatures only. Okay, here using by digital signatures. Okay, what is the diagram for this one? Here is a diagram in case 1. Okay, here you can also say that authentication plus digital signature. That means what? That means no confidentiality. Here there is no confidentiality. How the mechanism will be works? Okay, we will see a block diagram. here a email that will applied to hash function, and that will go for encryption with the help of PRA, and after hash function you get the hash code, or the symbol is called concatenation. Again it will go for the zip file, and zipped the file will be zipped means what? Compressing. Zip means compressing with a small bag like that is zipped. After zip we will get the ciphertext, and here again we are bring zipped inverse. Okay, here it is what hashing code. It is encryption private. Again this zip code will be goes for the message that is called encryption of encrypted message. Again we are applying for hash code. Then this is we can have here one hash code, and that will be compared here. Again decryption with public key, decryption with, again it is also decryption with private. Okay, here this both will be compared. If the both are same, we are getting the authentication. Okay, here we are getting the authentication. Here this side and this one both are same, then authentication, or else no authentication. Okay, the second case, what is the second case? This is about the first case. The second case is confidentiality only. The second case is confidentiality. What is confidentiality? PGP provides another basic service, confidentiality. In this previous case, we are focusing only authentication, but the people who know the public key of the source A can open the message even they can't open hash value. To overcome this problem, we have to provide the confidentiality. Okay. For time being, I am adding these points. In this confidential, we use conventional key. So conventional means symmetric key only. Okay, here the email went to the zip. Here zip will be performed, and later encryption algorithm with secret key KS, and then encryption public and PUB public key. Okay, and the symbol is called concatenation. The symbol is called concatenation. After that, we are applying for encryption public key and KS, encryption with message. Okay, both and message and public key is performing encryption algorithm, and with public private key B, and here we are performing decryption, and with the help of the secret key we are decoding that, and with again zipped, again we are getting the message. Okay, this is the conventional encryption. Or symmetric key encryption. Okay, this is called symmetric key encryption. Here zip. Here Z means what? Z means zip information. EC is nothing but conventional encryption, and KS is key for encryption, the EP using PUB or public key of B. Public key of B, and this symbol is called concatenation. This symbol is called concatenation, and Z inverse means decompression. Okay, your data is Z means zipping, compressing. Here Z inverse means decompression. Again, unzipping is called Z inverse. In second case, both data and key are encrypted. In second case, both data and key are encrypted. Okay, in first one only data will be encrypted. Here key and data both are encrypted. It is conventional encryption. And third method is confidential and authentication. And case 3 is confidentiality plus authentication. What is the confidentiality and authentication means? Here the trust of any service, to increase the trust of any service, we should provide both confidentiality and the authentication. Okay, that is the third case. Okay, here what is the third case? To increase the trust of any service, we should provide both. What do you have to provide? We have to provide confidentiality and authentication. Okay, to confidentiality and authentication. Here you have to provide at server side and the sender side. You have to provide these. Okay, we have a diagram. I will draw here and explain later. Please wait. Okay, in third case is the message with the hash code, and after that hash code, that will be encryption algorithm with public key of private key of A, private key of A. Then where concatenation with same message, where you are getting encryption with public key of A and hash code, and zipping and encryption code with again secret key, encryption algorithm, again where concatenation, and finally we are comparing here DP with hash code. If both are same, then it is correct. Okay, what is the third case means? This is mainly used for confidentiality as well as the authentication. To provide the more to increase the more trust of the service, how to provide this to confidentiality and integrity. This is about the PGP. What the meaning of PGP means? PGP is nothing but pretty good service. Okay, it is the email security service. It is a high level security software application. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.